Hello everybody, today we shall solve math problem number 4 and I shall try to present the most straightforward way, which is, I guess, the easiest to follow. So from this given condition we are going to conclude that four numbers A, B, C, and D are actually forming a geometric sequence. So we can write those four numbers as A times Q, A times Q squared, and A times Q cubed. So we can substitute A times Q instead of B, A times Q squared instead of C, and A times Q cubed instead of D. Actually, this ratio given above is actually 1 over Q. So we are going to calculate this square root given here. And we shall make now our substitutions. So we shall leave A to A. We shall substitute A times Q instead of B. A times Q squared instead of C. And A times Q cubed instead of D. And we have the third term here in the numerator, so A, we leave A as it is, and we substitute A times Q squared instead of C. And we do similarly in denominator, so we have this instead of D to the power of 5 plus B is A times Q, we have squared, C is A times Q squared, and D is A times Q cubed, plus, and the third term is B is A times Q to the power of 4 times C, which is A times Q squared. So this is just exercise in algebraic calculations. There are many possible ways to solve this. This is just one, but it seems to me the most straightforward because we shall now obtain in numerator A to the power of 5 plus the second term will be also A to the power of 5, but also multiplied with Q squared, Q to the power of 4, and Q cubed, which will be together 2 plus 4 plus 3, so Q to the power of 9, plus, and the third term will be also A a to the power of 5 times q to the power of 4. And in the denominator we will obtain a to the power of 5 times q to the power of 15 plus a to the power of 5, and q will be to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 3. And finally, the third term is a to the power of 5, and q is to the power of 4 plus 2. So what we get is that we can put a to the power of 5 in front of the parenthesis, and we are getting 1 plus q to the power of 9 plus q to the power of 4, and in denominator we are getting also a to the power of 5, so this cancel out, and we are getting q to the power of 15 plus q to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 7 plus q to the power of 6. And it seems maybe complicated, but we can now put q to the power of 6 in front of the parenthesis here in denominator. We are getting q to the power of 9 plus okay. Let me check, maybe I made a mistake. Just let me check. Okay, it seems correct. So B is this, C is this, D is this. So this will be okay. This will be okay. Here we have D, okay. B squared is okay. C is also okay, and I have a mistake. Okay, let's correct it. So here is D, but to the power of 2 squared, to the power of 2. So we are then getting here to the power of 6. And the rest is, I guess, correct. So here is not 7, here is actually 10. And now when we put q to the power of 6 in front of the parenthesis, we get q to the power of 9 plus q to the power of 4 plus 1, and that is exactly what we have above. So finally these and these cancel out, and we are getting square root of 1 over q to the power of 6, which is 1 over q cubed. And that is exactly a over d, because d is a times q cubed. So we are just getting that the left hand side is equal to this right hand side of our equation. So we need to be careful. As you see, I already made a mistake in calculation, but it's nothing complicated. Actually, everything cancel out if we are careful enough. Okay, thank you for watching this one. We have only 2 participants so far, and we have summer, so I decided that we are going to have a vacation for more than a month. So we start at the end of August with math problem 5. I hope for more people in the future. Thank you once again. Bye bye.